Hey, this is Darren Amato with BandanasOnline.com, also Ambra Manufacturing. Here we are in the shop. I'm standing in front of our bandana printing machine. We're going to take a closer look at the process today. I'm going to flip the camera around for you and we're going to take a look. This is our bandana printing press. Right now we're loaded up with some blank natural color bandanas. I'm going to follow this down the production line. Each bandana makes its way down to this screen here. That's where the imprint image happens. We just flooded it and printed a royal blue print onto this natural bandana. It's gonna reflood for the next bandana as that rolls underneath. It's ready to print. There goes the print. Once that's done, the table is gonna get reloaded over here with another bandana. After that's in place, this already printed bandana is gonna come out, flood coat for the next. There's the finished product. Looks nice, it's wet. We're gonna put it on the belt. Goes through a 380-degree oven and it pops out the other end, ready for use, ready to be packed up and shipped out to the customer.